We gonna ride it
Oh, Mike.
all the way down the fucking pole.
Yeah.
Turn
They say you checking on the tree.
I need cash. My patient is gone. I just
Oh,
need
Mike.
power ignition. They can send you up to $300 instantly. So you
Mike, you can hear me?
Yo.
We're good. I think it starts with the letter G. Yeah. 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 Let's stop it into
You.
You can hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Now we read. There once was a small good wolf. Why? No, super either.
I'm gonna start in a second, bro. I'm just waiting for the usual suspects to come in. Excuse me. I'm gonna start in a second, though.
Will you come with
All
me?
right, y'all. I'm about to get started, man. Good morning. What's up with y'all, man? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I'll wait for the usual suspects to get in here. They in here now, so we can get started. All right. So this is the I ain't do nothing to the chart. Yes, I ain't do nothing to my chart since Friday. So as we go through it today, as we look at it today, that's why I'm gonna bust it down with y'all today. We're gonna do it together. So this is the monthly. Remember when we started the month selling? Them days long gone, baby. Long gone. Hold on, man. Let me hold on. Let me get him right quick. He excited. All right. So we started the month selling. So you got this long week. This is the monthly candle, right? So we're in the middle of the month now. We started August, like the first week, a week and a half of August, we started selling. But I remember telling y'all on that Zoom, I was like, look, we could trade through this. Say, bro, you wait till I start talking and start acting crazy. I remember telling y'all that we could trade through this order block and still respect it by the end of the month. And it's clear that we're respecting it. So now I'm bullish. I'm every trade that I want to take now is going to probably be to the upside, right? So let's go down. Let's go down to the weekly. So on the weekly, I remember telling y'all last week, I was like, look, this blue box, the top of this blue box was my area of interest. So like I felt like the market was headed here. I said anything that happened after that was laying at. So it closed above it. So now this inversion fair value gap right here, we didn't use it as resistance. We traded through it. Cool. So now it's probably gonna be support again to trade back down here and then head higher. So I'm looking for upside price action. The weekly says bullish, the monthly says bullish. Let's go down to the daily. Let's go find some trades. All right. So the daily, this is what we got on the daily. Let me squeeze this chart a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna take this monthly chart off of here. Put some more drawings on here for y'all, bruh. So we got this gap that we created last week. And we got this gap that we created. We also created this gap too. Oh man. So when the market trades like this in one direction and it creates gaps like this, it's clearly telling you that it's bullish, right? So this is the daily. The only thing that I feel like could stop it a little bit is this very small gap right here that was created when we started selling. We never traded back into it, right? So I'll be looking to see what we do with this. But until then, we got liquidity here. We got buy side liquidity here. We got buy side liquidity here. You know the market looking for resting liquidity, right? So Friday, I thought we was gonna come take this out, but we didn't, which is cool. But the market is headed in this direction. So we could come sweep this liquidity and reverse, come back down, test one of these gaps, fill one of these gaps or whatnot, and then head higher. But overall, I'm expecting the price action to go to the upside, right? Because the market, you got to believe what you see. The market saying bullish, the market saying upside. upside. The only thing is we didn't quite. So the only thing is we didn't quite close above this candle. We did, but we didn't. It's like it ain't forceful enough. But we closed above it. So you gotta respect it in a sense, but yeah, I'm expecting us to come test one of these gaps again. But of course, you got your buy side liquidity above the highs on your daily, right? So I'm gonna give y'all a cheat sheet. When a daily high like this corresponds with like a 1 hour high, a 1 hour and or a 4 hour high, you're gonna get a nice response off of it. A nice response off of it. But we're gonna go down to the lower time frames. But overall, I'm just saying right now, the market is showing bullish. So what the hell?
I'm here, bro.
What was that? Let's go down. Let's go down to our lower time frames and see what we got.
I had to get on the phone.
Okay. So this the 4 hour, right? So you got resting liquidity above this high. You got resting liquidity above this high, right? So, it looks okay. The 4 hour looks a little bit different. It looks better though, because it's gonna probably attack this high right here. This high was inside of a gap that we traded into. Y'all see that? We traded into this 4 hour gap. This high. This I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. When we have a swing high that's inside of a gap, I usually sell it. Like I usually say that the market usually reverse. Yeah. But that's neither here nor there. So trades it to the upside, though. Trades it to the upside. The market's telling you upside. You got, like I said, you got resting liquidity above these highs, this high, this high. These are both daily highs, right? But then also you have this very small fair value gap up here that's on the daily. I'm gonna go back to the daily just to show you. So you got this very small fair value gap right here. I'm interested to see what happens when we trade to it. We could just trade straight through it, but we have an auto block right here. You got a small gap, it's a gap that started the initial move to the downside. So I'm interested to see, even though it's small, it's overall market wise, I do believe that like the selling for the most part is over. We did a 10% correction that was last week. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, it went out, but I can hear you now.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
All right. So we did like was that last week or the week before we had our 10% correction? And all right, bro. All right.
We had that 10% corrections the day after we called 10% correction.
And then after that, the market shows you what it's trying to. The market's telling you, hey, look, it's upside. Upside price action, right? So now you got to believe what you see. You got to believe what you see. So that's why, I talked to Winston the other day. I was like, I was like, man, I believe the selling is over for right now. Oh, these kids, bro. So I believe the selling is over, man. So like I said, we got resting liquidity above this high, resting liquidity above this high. If we sweep these highs in reverse, I mean, there's not much room to the downside. If it's just not I'll be more I'll be more inclined to trading to the upside. And the reason why is, even though we created these gaps coming to the upside, but y'all remember we had these volume imbalances right here, right? Let me show y'all these volume imbalances. These volume imbalances on the daily when we started selling, that's how heavy it was. It's like, man, we're not even gonna come back and check price. And this volume imbalance right here. And then we had this one right here. Y'all remember those? Yep. So traded straight through it, closed above it, used it as support, got out of there. Traded through it, used it as support, got out of there. So now you got to believe what you see, right, guys? So it's to the upside now. So now when we go down to the smaller time frames, like the 1 hour, you're gonna start seeing, you should be able to start seeing like the setups that you want to take going into the week or going into, however you trade. I can't tell y'all how to trade, but going into the week, you should start seeing your setups. It's bullish, right? So this right here, this last run to the downside, this happened between Thursday and Friday, I believe. Then we traded above it. Now clearly you see we're using it as support. So it ain't trying to trade no lower. We traded into this gap though. It was a gap that was created. We traded into it Friday afternoon, but then immediately we responded to try to get back above it. Didn't quite make it, but the market is telling you what it wants to do. So now you got to believe what you see. So the trades are definitely to the upside. Now, can we retrace a little bit? I'm hoping that we do. Just from a weekly perspective, let me go back to the weekly and show you right quick. Then we can get into some technicals and all that, and then we can go to the hood, because I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's a beautiful Sunday. We can go outside, smell some flowers, touch some grass. So,
Hey,
what's that?
it's hot out here.
Oh, it is. It is. So remember, last week on the Zoom, I was like, look, this was my area of interest. This inversion gap on the weekly, right? Right? I said it should act as some form of resistance. It didn't. Cool. But anything above this blue box was lanyard. I'm not worried about that. I'm trading to the upside, but this is where I'm cutting it off at, right here. And that's what happened. Cut it off there, market continued to go higher. Cool. I ain't got nothing to do with that. So now that we traded back through this gap, this inversion, now this is what I'm thinking the price action gonna look like going into the week. Oh no way. A little retracement here. That's what I'm thinking. Right? Because the weekly showing you, okay, this.
You think we create a gap off of that one?
We might, bro.
Gap off of filling the gap?
We might. This might be but it could come down here.
That's crazy. That's crazy in a week.
It could come down here, but I'm saying it's probably gonna stay up here and trade here and then go higher. Right? And this is from a weekly perspective. Open up the week, sell, boom, pick up some buyers. As the other people teach, pick up the buyers and go. New all-time high. Or vice versa, we could consolidate. We could just play ping pong till September. So, but just going based off of what I see.
I hope it make me a fan again, bro. I hope we can consolidate till September. But if not, so be it, man.
But just basically looking at the price action that the market has given us thus far, this is what it's looking like to me. A retracement, boom, because this is a daily gap right here. So retracement back into the daily gap, boom, get out of there. We have resting liquidity here? We got sell side, we got buy side liquidity above these highs. that we didn't touch on last week. So, but I will say this. No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. But yeah, so let's go back to the smaller time frames. We can go to the 5 minute if y'all want. Yeah, but yeah. Let me take my secret sauce off the chart because I don't want to confuse nobody with this. So in that, bro, you find reasons. So like if you find a bullish setup and you feel like the market is going to the upside, it gives you even more reason to take that trade, especially if you're trading futures. It's like the market give you, you know what I call it. I'm gonna start calling them sweet gaps. You sweet, and you create a gap. You get a sweet gap to the upside, you take it. So like this is the Friday's price action, right? So you sweep one of these lows, sweep one of these, sweep this low, sweep this low in reverse and create a gap to the upside. You take that to the upside. You take it to the next swing high or the next 1 hour high, however you want to trade. That's how you trade. That's how you take that trade. All right. Okay. I got you, bro. What you want to eat? Just think about it and come back to me. All right. I'm gonna hook you up. No, ain't no sugar cooking, bro, at 9:22 in the morning. No. Don't have that though. But why y'all show out when I get on the computer? What you want? I'm not even on mute. They can hear me. What you want? Huh? Talk. What you want? All right. All right. So anywho, this is why I be using like the 5 minute and the 1 hour. All right. So this is why I use this because we on a 5 minute. The 5 minute and the 1 hour correspond to me. Like I don't be on them 10-minute streets. I don't be on them 15-minute streets. I don't be on the 30-minute streets and none of that. This is a 5 minute, the 1 hour. The 1 hour. So the 1 hour is bullish. So if the 1 hour is bullish, right? And the 5 minute is bearish, that's perfect for me. Now I'm looking for a setup to the upside because there's a reason why the 5 minute is trade low is looking for an inefficiency on the 5 minute. But you know how y'all know what I do on the 5 minute. I'm looking for a low to be swept or a high to be swept and a reversal in the opposite direction. I'm taking it to the low. I'm getting my 10 points. That's it. So when we do look at the bigger picture, like the weekly gives you the bias. The weekly says, all right, we're still bullish. We got this long wick from 2 weeks ago that's letting you know that we mean business to the upside. The very next candle prints shows you that we gonna continue to stand on business, right? So now you're looking for a retracement into this daily gap to go higher, or even a retracement or a bounce from this gap, whatever. But you know the overall direction is still to the upside. Even if you look at the monthly, bro. If we go back to the monthly, look at this candle, bro. This candle was red. This candle was red. This candle was red about 2 weeks ago. It was all good just a week ago. Now look at it. So the market is telling you, bullish. This is the all-time high right here. I'm gonna draw it out for y'all. We're not that far from it. This is the all-time high right here. So you think the market not about to come take that out? I believe we are. I believe we're going higher, bro. We could see 5,800 real soon. I believe the selling is over. Like I said, I believe we might retrace a little bit in September, but we ain't gonna, yeah. We might retrace a little bit in September, but at the end of the day got an end. And from a monthly perspective, fellas, we respecting this order block. We're respecting it. We traded through it. And I remember telling y'all on the Zoom, I said, man, we could trade through this order block and still respect it by the end of the month. And here we are, August 18th, standing on business. So that's a telltale sign for me. So now we taking this internal liquidity, external, from a monthly perspective. Boom. That's your monthly high. That's your external liquidity. That's where we headed. Argue with your mama. Argue with your mama. But here you go. So, like I said, daily, respect this. Oh, man, hold on. Let me get it right, man. Let me get it right. So, from a daily perspective, we could trade back into this gap and then head higher, take out this resting liquidity, the sell side liquidity here. Take it out. But even if we reverse here, I don't see us selling. I don't see us going any lower than what we already did in the month of August. Now, if we do, oh man, if we do sell lower than this low that we've already created, the market is gonna get much, 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 much lower. It's gonna get scary out here. It's gonna get scary. But not for me, but not for us, because we know how to trade. But like for people that don't know how to trade, it's gonna get scary. But that's it, bro. That's all I got. I don't have a trade per se going into this week. Like a specific trade. I'm just looking for a retracement back into this gap to take us higher, to take out this liquidity. This being my first price target. Well, no, I'm sorry. This being my first price target, then this being my second price target. Then seeing how the market responds to this gap that we created when we started selling, when the selling first ensued a few weeks ago. We never traded back into it. So I want to see what happens when we trade back into it. Plus this order block sitting on top of it. So it's gonna get interesting. But all in all, whatever setup that you find, on whatever time frame that you trade, if you find a setup to the upside, I think it's a high probability that trade will work for you this week as well as last week. And yeah, so that's all I got, bro. So if y'all have any questions about anything, let me know. Like, because some Sundays I got a go-to trade, some Sundays I don't. I'll just go by what the market gives me. So that's all I got for this week. We could use this as support and go higher. It's a bunch of different things, but we all know what we're looking for. We're looking for internal liquidity and external liquidity, right? We got internal liquidity right here. We got external liquidity here and here. We got this internal liquidity right here that's in premium, right? So we know this is in premium, right? Y'all know that, right? This gap is in premium. We know that, right? I don't have to, y'all need me to do the fibs so y'all can see it?
You can go ahead and run that for me.
All right, cool. I got it. Give me a second. Let me get all this makeup off my chart. That's just not my problem. That's just not. All right. So you feel from the high. This is the high. Boom. You said this is the low. Let's go here. That's the low. Right? That's your range. This is your daily range. Right? This is your discount. 23, 38%. That's your discount. Equilibrium is 50%, 61, 76, and higher. That's your premium. Gap is in premium right here. Damn, look at that. 76% is this resting liquidity. Then you got this resting liquidity here. So when you put it in perspective, bro, we could get a nice response off of this gap. I'm not gonna hold y'all because it's in premium. It could bring us back to equilibrium. Equilibrium could take us back to the all-time high. So it could look a little something like this. Let me see. Where my line at? Boom. So let's just say we trade up to this. Man, stop playing with me. Stop doing that. I gotta get a new mouse, bro. People be giving you broke mouses and stuff. Anywho, so the market could do something like this. All right. So this could happen, bro. But man, come on. Something like this. Trade back here. Right? Now, if this happens like this, bro, everybody got to cash at me $1. You got $1? I thought you were poor. All right.
All I got is a review for you, bro.
All right. Okay. So something like this, boom. Come up here, right? Hit this up. Come back down to equilibrium. Boom. This actually look good. I like this.
So is the definition of equilibrium just the halfway point of it? Of the
Yeah.
the 50%?
Yep, that's it. 50%.
All right.
50%.
All right.
Yep. And then after that, boom. I actually like this. Boom, boom, ping.
I slacked on that fucking what's your name too.
What's that?
We probably could look up the probabilities as far as it being what the election is in November.
Mhm.
Just go back and look at performances during election year. That's for everybody. We're not gonna come back on here and be like, oh, this is what happens.
Y'all wanted me to lead them
Yeah.
arrows on that, bro, or y'all good?
I mean, you could. I mean, we don't want that. Somebody else trade. Oh, Branch pretty futures, huh?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
who else? You
Well, no, Supreme too. I'm sorry.
yeah.
Yeah, leave them on.
All right, I'm gonna do it again. It makes me feel good. It's provocative. Gets people
Gets the
going.
people going. But yeah, I need to go look that up to see. I'm a firm believer in September lows. So,
Bro, yeah, that
we'll see.
seasonality stuff don't always be, bro. You gotta trust
But
the
this the part, Mike. Mike, if we go to 560, we could easily see 520 in September. I don't think we're going back to 508, as me and you spoke and said. I don't think we go back and do that because that'll be trash. To be honest,
It'll be
I
it's gonna be scary.
yeah, if we go back down there, because
Mhm.
I don't think you go back down there and bounce. You get what I'm saying?
Man, stop playing with me. That's just not my problem.
So,
Yeah. Back to equilibrium of the range. Boom.
and that number you talking about, that might be the 520 that we speaking of. You don't think you get a test on that gap? Come on a little bit more.
All right, you can say
Go,
that.
go touch that gap. Yeah.
Yeah, we can touch
Go,
the gap. Reach
go
out and
make
touch.
go make the movie for me. I want my ending on it. You know how I do. Come touch
Oh,
the gap then about. Yeah.
that's even better.
That's the gap created off the sweep too, right?
Yeah, and it's in discount.
And the bigger
It's in discount
spectrum.
too. It's
We
in
swept the
discount too.
low,
Yeah,
and then created the gap to the upside. This is the gap y'all want to trade.
yep. It's in discount too.
Yeah.
Look at that. Perfect.
Give me my 520. And that look like what that is. Oh yeah, look, September. Look what Mike did for me.
Damn. God
Scoot
damn it.
over. Scoot, scoot over.
But
I'm coming with you.
that's what the price action looks like it's gonna come out to be going into the future. I'm not here to predict the future. I'm just telling y'all, bro. I know this Zoom kind of a little bit different today. I had shrooms yesterday. I'm just playing. But no, I know this Zoom a little bit different because normally, like, when we get on the Zoom, I normally have like a go-to trade going into the week. But like I don't have one this week. So this week I'm just gonna let the market tell me what it wants to do and I'm gonna respond from it. But
Your bias is from what
bullish.
you're saying with this bullish, and so you
Yeah.
only looking for
I'm looking for
trades that
trades to the
go.
upside.
Got you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right.
Yeah. So even like we talking right now, when you got your 5-minute sessions on here. Let me give you the code, bro. Let me give y'all the code. So when this is the 1 hour, right? So when a 1 hour low, like you have, like, let's just use this 1 hour low right here. See, it's just sticking out like a sore thumb, right? Nothing else around it, right? So when you have a 1 hour low like this, and it's also like a session low on a 5-minute, it's like, let's just say it's like is like the AM session low. I bet you 25 cents that the market gonna come take this low out and reverse and it's gonna give you your gap. Because it's like time and price align with it. Like, so whatever time frame it is. So for me, like I always tell y'all, it's always gonna be the 5 minute and the 1 hour for me. I use the daily. I use the daily and the weekly. Yes, Ace. I use the daily and the weekly, for my biases like I'm doing right now with y'all. But when the game starts, I'm on a 1 hour and a 5 minute. So when you have these lows that's just sitting out here like this, and then you got a gap down here. Hold up, Ace. You got this gap down here, right? So that's going to be internal liquidity. And probably on a higher time frame, probably on a weekly or whatever, we probably tap into this gap. That's probably what the gap Winston was talking about on a weekly. But all in all, bro, when you see these lows just sitting out here like this, even this one, it's like if it corresponds with the 5 minute low from a session, it's gonna get taken out. The market come and get it. It's coming to get it. So I don't know if y'all watch the market, like if y'all see stuff like this, just put this in your notes, man. Going into the week when you see a low like this, even a 4 hour low, if it corresponds with a session low on your 5 minute chart or your 10 minute, whatever time frame you use, when it corresponds with it like that, just look at it. Look at what the market does. It gets aggressive going to the downside for whatever reason, then it reverses. Right? It reverses. It creates you a gap. You either get a gap or a block to the upside. You take it to the upside. You take it to the next high. You take it to the 1 minute high, the 5 minute high, however long your tolerance is for sitting in the trade. You know what I'm saying? Some people get high blood pressure when they take a trade. They can't sit in the trade for 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So just pay attention. Put this in your notes. This is like the secret sauce. When a 1 hour and a 5 minute, this the Chick-fil-A sauce. When you got a daily low, a 4 hour low, and a 1 hour low, all at the same time, it's the same low. Oh, brother, listen. Cancel Christmas. Take that trade. Because it's going to take that liquidity sweep. It's going to create you a gap. Take it to the upside. And so when all the stars align for you like that, take it each time. Take it. But wait for the setup to present itself. Don't just be like, I'm buying the low. Don't do that. Don't say Mike said buy the low. Mike can say that. Mike said wait till the gap is made, then buy it. You buy the gap. Just like you gotta buy gap insurance for your car. You buy the gap. When you do it's called this. We're gonna start calling it the sweep gap. The sweep gap, guys. So when the sweep gap presents itself, take it, right? So just keep that in mind. Write it in your notes. When a 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 5 minute, all that corresponds with each other, and it's quite obvious on the chart. It's like that low just sitting out like a sore thumb. We come and get it, or even a high. Vice versa. If it's a high, same thing. We come and get it. We come and get you. Don't worry. Truancy come and pick you up. You should have been at school. All right. So, but like I said, bro, I don't really have like a go-to trade going into the week. But like my bias is bullish. I'll be looking for upside trades. Going into the week, I don't think we have many news drivers this week. We had them last week, so this week I think we just got like normal stuff like unemployment claims and stuff like that.
We got Jackson Hole, no Diddy.
And we got the minutes. We got the Fed minutes too. So Fed minutes is at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. No, it's at 1 o'clock. I'm sorry, 1 o'clock our time. I think it's on Tuesday and Wednesday. But so on days like that, I just trade the afternoon session. That's when the volatility going into the market. I trade the afternoon session. Cool. But at the end of the day got to end. And this is what we got going in. This is what I feel like the market is going to do going into the week based on the information that I have presented before me. So like I said, normally I have a trade for y'all, but like, look, just a trade we taking. Like last week, I said we're going to be trading to the upside. And we traded to the upside. So now I'm just waiting for a retracement back into one of these gaps to take it to the upside. Sweep, give me a 5 minute sweep sweep one of these lows, even sweep this one. I don't care what you do. And you reverse, I'm coming with you. Whatever you, I'm coming with you. Please pick me up. I got my clothes on. I've been sitting outside for 2 hours. I'm ready. Let's go. But you know, these are your day trades, of course, because we day traders, we trade futures, we ain't swing trade nothing. So the 5 minute is gonna be your bread and butter. I'm trying to get Winston on the 5 minute, but he's stuck on that 10 minute. Bro, I even go down to the 3. I got a 2 minute chart. So now I'm telling you all my business. I go from the 2 minute to the 3 minute to the 5 minute, right? So from the 2 to the 3 to the 5, from the melt to the from the 2 to the 3 to the 5 to the 1 hour. That's my bread and butter. That's what I'm doing. The daily telling me what we're doing. I already know what we're doing on the daily. All right, so the daily bullish, I'm fine. I'm looking for bullish trades. So when the daily bullish and we bearish and we looking for a low to sweep or we're looking for inefficiency on a 5 minute, I'm like, all right, cool. I'm getting long. If I lose my trade, I just lose it. I mean, you can't win them all. You know, Tom Brady lost a few games too, didn't he? So you just gotta, it's just come with the territory, bro. That's it. So don't get overly emotional when you lose a trade, or don't get bent up out of shape, or don't go on the binge and start over trading, because that $300 loss going to turn to a $1,500 loss in a broken computer. So let's go to the hood. What? Where's the gun? What gun? The 45 or the 9? Bro, this is gonna be on YouTube. I'm going to jail. All right. God damn. I'm going to jail. That's Winston said that. Winston Marcellus said that. I didn't say that.
I'm gonna cut it out. I got you.
So I paid like I paid
That's at the
$100.
43-minute mark. I got to be.
Yeah, I got it.
So let's go to the hood, bro. Let's see. 1 second, man. 1 second. All right. All right, now this is
Hey, just go straight to it for him, bro. Don't even play around.
now this is for you.
I'm listening. I'm right here.
All right, bro. So we on this SPY, right? This SPY weekly chart. Same thing apply, right? Same thing. Like upside, it's telling you what it's doing. It's showing you what it's doing. So if you could get like a 547, 548 entry to the upside. Hold up, let me see something. Let's go to the. I hate looking at the daily because it be having so many of these spaces on it and make my eyes hurt. But my bad. Hold up, guys. So let's get to the technicals of it. You got this low right here. See this swing low? Yeah, this gap down here. Yeah, this gap too. This very small gap in between these two candles. Traded into it, reversed, traded higher, closed above this inefficiency, created another inefficiency here. So if you could get a 540, like I was saying, a 545 entry to the upside. The reason why I'm saying is because you see this gap right here, trading to this gap, fill it, 545, right? Take 545, you could buy some 560s for SPY, 560s, 2 weekers, maybe. What you think? What you think, Win?
Go for the gusto, man.
Go for the gusto.
Open that chart up. Let me see.
Let me go to a higher time frame, bro. This your high right here. This your all time, man, bro. This mouse killing me.
Yeah, with the wicked 60?
This your high,
Yeah,
566.
560. 560.
It's showing you, bro. It's look. He mean business.
Yeah, I'm working.
So that's what I'm saying. So even on a weekly, trade into this
That's what
gap.
I was calling to tell you. I'm home now.
Retraced it.
Yeah,
Trade into this gap. Boom. Swept this low.
no, I got a permanent job with RT.
Swept this low. Filled this gap. Took all that liquidity. Took this resting liquidity. Took this internal liquidity. So when we take an internal liquidity, where we got to bring it to the high, right? See, he said, yep. So that's what we had. So if you could get a 545 entry, if the market is nice enough to give you that, take it. Give you a 545, buy you some 560. 2 weeks out. Right? That's SPY. What else we got? NVIDIA? Y'all want to look at NVIDIA? Cool. Let's look at NVIDIA. Same thing. They all look
NVIDIA
the
and
same.
Tesla.
It all looks the same. You know, if Tesla, so if NVIDIA give you, let's see.
Say, bro, is all of these gaps, these the gaps that was created from Friday to Monday when we woke up Monday and shit just was high?
Yeah. Yeah, man. So
Hey,
NVIDIA,
y'all can hear me?
no. So NVIDIA.
Mike,
Yo,
What's up, man?
who called out Tesla?
nobody.
Somebody said Tesla. Go to Tesla monthly and put that trend line back on there.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, buddy. I got Tesla going to 275.
Yeah, I said Tesla.
275, bro.
Nobody said Tesla, dog.
Somebody said Tesla. 275, bro.
Hey,
The trend line, you talking about this trend line up? The trend line down here? 275. Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
Yes.
put that monthly trend
And
line
then
on that.
in a separate bag, can you just get
Yep.
the two glazed?
He's buying
Put that
donuts.
monthly trend line on there.
From here?
Mm-hmm. Go down. Go down. No. Go hit it. Go across them. Yeah. No, down. Hit in that green one.
And let me have a large French vanilla
Oh,
with
shit.
ice.
Nope. Oh, you're talking about one of the things?
The ice coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see you got it.
That's it?
No. Hit that green.
This green one? I'm not a trend line trader, fellas. Oh, yeah, okay. You said 275? I see. All right, cool. I'll take that.
Yeah, it's getting past that.
It's
Should
bullish,
run
dog.
past that.
Everything. So
Now listen.
we
Here's
should have
the
been more
kicker.
adamant about the 10% correction. Because once the 10% correction happened,
We just thought it was gonna come later.
it came.
Remember, we wouldn't call no bottom. It came the day. We wanted it the next month. It came the next day. So
That's
right out.
So,
But I'm thinking Tesla gonna go above that. This is a monthly, y'all. Tesla probably gonna go green. I'm sorry.
oh yeah, it is.
All right, I'm done
It is
talking.
going green.
I'm done talking. I'm done
Cause
talking.
look, Winston, let's get technical, bro.
Well,
I
Yeah.
don't want to talk no more.
Look, this is a gap right here,
yeah.
right?
So,
So,
I left Antoine. Antoine was in
oh yeah, it's coming.
August.
It's coming to 300. I'll buy some 300s.
Yeah.
For this month, I ain't doing.
I'll
All
buy some.
right.
I'll buy some.
Yes.
I don't know what kind of news gonna
Not for
pop
this
up,
Monday.
y'all. But
Yeah,
bruh,
he really
It's
did.
coming.
see, bruh,
So look, so
you can get to some end of the month. That's like 2 weeks.
Sketchy.
You hear me?
AW is like AW was working at low.
the Apple, dog. Look at Apple, man. Look at this, bro. From a monthly perspective, got this consolidation, displaced above it, created a gap, traded back to the consolidation, to the T, 197. 197 was a perfect entry. Boom. Top of this candle. take it to the high. 237. That's crazy. That that
I don't.
correction.
Y'all telling you when I was talking about looking at that monthly. I don't think the monthlies are done buying. You heard me? Like you
Those
said,
right over.
yeah.
What else?
Even
what else, what
if
other
we
stock?
read Nvidia, SPY, going at monthly. You heard me?
All of them
So
look the same. SPY, Nvidia.
yeah, y'all could
Apple.
almost play them to go take out those highs from the previous month, bro. What that was, July.
Mhm.
You could just play the high of that candle
That's it.
for the attack the high of the other candle.
That's it. We're coming here.
Go look at all of them if you want.
We don't. What other stocks we trade? Well, y'all trade. I don't be in the hood like
Yeah,
that.
they had on that other branch, Gary. Yeah,
Huh?
one of them motherfuckers.
So we looked at SPY already. You got SPY. We looked at Nvidia. What else? Let's look at Nike. How about that?
No, go look at Palantir.
All right, we're gonna look at Nike first.
Go look at All right, look at Palantir after that.
All right. Nike look a little different. Ooh-wee. Nike look a little different. But for what mall you got in Nike at what, $72? So Nike about to run. See when Nike get past this high right here, it's over. So let's go to Planet PL. What it is, PL?
Yeah, I bought everything that Monday that we was down. I bought some Nvidia leaps. I bought well, I've been bought the Nike shit, and I bought some SPY August 2025 calls.
Ooh, okay. Big money. Ben, this is for you.
What's up, money?
This is for you, baby. Cleveland. Nothing stopping it from getting here, dog. When I tell you nothing,
$45, here we come.
nothing stopping it from getting here, dog. That's it.
That money on Palantir is fucking
That's it.
throw up word.
That's it, bro.
Came back. You see that level it hit at 21?
Yep.
Or the
That's
stop
what-
sign, whatever we want to call it.
But man,
That been look way clean on the money. We thought it
Dude.
ran and then sold off. That
I'll
been
mute
look
this
clean on the
nigga,
money.
man. I'll mute this nigga. Listen, nigga talking about stop signs.
Yeah, bro, y'all a mess your head, dog.
Mute this nigga, dog. Stop signs and red lights and red light, green light.
Oh, shit.
Marco Polo. But look, Palantir, bro. Ben, I think we told you at $21 or something like that. I think
What that boy said, y'all thought the money would have changed him? Y'all thought he would have forgot where he
Yeah.
came from.
hey,
That was
bro,
the best spot to buy it, is what was said.
yeah,
around
we
the
said
21.
21. We said worst case scenario about $17, $18. Worst case. It gave you everything. It gave you everything. You don't really have no reason to
Hey.
come back and check this off either.
It ain't too late.
Look, first pullback, I said buy you some $45 calls, bro. If you pull back, I don't think it's gonna give you 25 again. It could though. Let me look at the weekly. Ooh, wee. That's it. That's it. The game over. That's it. Close about this too. Oh yeah, it might pull. It might give you 30. It might give you 30.
That's crazy. I
I
was
got it.
in them fucking
It
$50 calls.
might give
And
you 30.
when we got that fucking drop, I sold them bitches. I should have kept them.
Bro, listen.
Yeah, you ain't the
Listen.
only one played the
All right,
bad
listen,
mom.
man. Guys, turn your cameras. Turn your camera. Look at me. 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 Guys, when we give you the trade is the trade. Hey, what?
Bag of $20.
You gotta say that loud like that?
It ain't too late, Mo. You can
But
still
yeah,
hit
bro.
it.
It's not.
That was Mo
I mean, you
fault.
might though. I'm not gonna hold you. You might get 28.
I think I was in them for October, them $50 calls for October.
You might
'Cause
get
I know they was up. it was up nice, but I've been in them bitches since it was like $23 or some shit.
You might get
You
28.
might not get your
my bottom
pullback
one.
till next month. That's the kicker.
It's coming. 44, it's coming. It's coming, dog.
Yeah, I think the thing is, you got to the end of the year for this bitch to really go all the way off. That's what I'm thinking. So, like you said, you be patient. You're gonna get another pullback unless things don't go how it's supposed to next month. If shit goes another way, but if you get a little downtrend for next month, I think you get an opportunity to get in it and catch it again. Not probably from 21 though at all. The bitch probably ain't going back down there. But I could be wrong.
Like you said, you hoping you get that 27, 28 that Mike was talking about to clean up that little gap. Everybody might just leave a gap and then
Hey,
attack it.
best case scenario, bro, 28, 29 right here. See this? If we come back and kiss this candle, I buy it, bro. Buy your calls. Buy you some 35s. Buy you some 40s. You know, because it's going. It's not. If you look, it's nothing stopping it. Nothing. It's showing you right here with this candle. It's showing you what it won't do. Man, bro, that's nice. I like this. I remember when we used. Y'all remember when we used to get on these Zooms and I knew what we was talking about. Anywho, moving right along. What's the next stop? That's it.
Zoom's been Zoom.
Hey, say what?
Zoom's been zooming, dog. I hit last. Zoom.
I'm confused, dog. I'm confused, man. I don't even know what you're talking about. Go get it.
Now said the Zoom's been zooming.
I don't know what that means. My dog been hit turned up, man. All right. So any other
You
stocks?
looked at Microsoft?
Yeah,
Look at
and then pocket
Microsoft?
options.
Hey, bro.
Man, shut up.
Speaking
what
of the
I'ma tell you.
devil shall appear.
He in here.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. Bro, this group is gonna be the death of me, brother.
The pocket option man in here?
The devil is not welcome here. The devil is not welcome here.
This group, dog, is out of control. Thank you. This group's out of control, bro. Say, bro, look, let me tell you something. I'm on Zoom. Y'all ain't here acting crazy.
Do Microsoft. Oh, he on there right now?
Yeah, man. This is Microsoft.
I don't like Microsoft.
This the weekly.
That's funny.
This the weekly. This the monthly. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'll be honest with you.
It cleaned this up though. I ain't gonna hold you. It cleaned this up though. It came into this gap. It's probably going here. It's probably Microsoft about to run too. You just late.
No.
Yeah, it is. Watch what I tell you. Look, this the monthly.
It went all the way down.
It hit the joint. Look.
Oh no.
It traded back into this gap. Took these lows out.
All right. This is nice shit.
385. Now it's going to 466.
No, the flash is down there.
Microsoft going to 467. What else we got? What else y'all be trading, bro? What else y'all be faking like y'all trade? Let me pull up my watch list. What else y'all be faking like y'all be trading? Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, Google. Y'all trade Google too?
Oh, go look at Amazon. I think I did the money on Amazon too.
Amazon. Look at this. Oh man. All right. Amazon. All right. All these stocks don't look the same. What's your Amazon looking like? All these stocks don't look the same, brother.
Amazon look, boy.
So
Look at the
Amazon.
basically what y'all saying is
market bullish.
go drop you some money on and get paid and take September
God
off.
damn it!
I would go upside, but like he said, it could consolidate right here. I just don't believe Amazon
So, bro, look,
probably gonna run from that 177. I'm not saying it's gonna be this month, but
damn, bro, this is gonna be
he
all
looking
messed
at
up.
monthly candles, you hear me? So you might consolidate and that bitch just run November, after September, October, November, December. It might run after that. 177 would be my number though.
But look, bro, check this out. You got
It's relative
consolidation.
to close right there, bro.
Look,
Go ahead.
you got monthly consolidation. You got manipulation. Your manipulation to the downside, right? Reversal. You got your reversal. You got your gap. Traded into the gap. Here into y'all see what I did? Oh, all right, I'm gonna do it again. Consolidation, manipulation, expansion, whatever you want to call it, right? You got your manipulation to the downside, you got your reversal. You got your gaps during the reversal, trade back into those gaps, take out the highs, right? Take out this intermediate high, took that out, didn't respond to it. And that's how you can tell when the market is bullish. When you got your highs like this and we just trade through them and don't say, bro, shut up, bro. Shut up. I keep telling you not to say that. You keep saying it. That shit ain't funny, bro. Now I'm acting like a nigga. You got me acting like a nigga on Zoom. I keep telling you that, bro.
Damn. Projects got him acting up, huh?
Yeah, bro, I don't know. They've been quiet the whole morning. As soon as I start Zoom, they will come here and start acting up. Like that shit ain't funny, bro. I don't know why they keep doing that, dog. Now I gotta act like a nigga on Zoom. Now we can't even post this Zoom, bro. Shit. Got me cursing on a Sunday. Anywho, you got your fuck, you got your consolidation, your manipulation, you got your highs that were swept right here. We took this liquidity, we took this external liquidity, internal. Now we're gonna take this internal liquidity, external to your highs, and it could go higher and set a new high. So the market is bullish, bro. Any stock you look at, especially in the NASDAQ, they bullish. So the money left the NASDAQ, now it's coming back to the NASDAQ.
So let me ask you a question, bro. Out of all the stuff we just covered in the hood, would you say Tesla and Planeteer are the two you feel strongly about?
I
Just
see
for the
Planeteer
group.
is the best. The Planeteer got the best setup.
And then what about after Planeteer? Would Tesla be the
Tesla
second
too.
choice?
Yeah, Tesla. So top three.
Everybody agree with that? Anybody else see something different?
I like Tesla, Planeteer,
Inspire.
then Spy. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's it. That's it, bro.
I'm gonna tell you another one though. Like on Apple monthly. Now Apple might be. Go back to Apple, Mike.
Apple's already gone. Apple is already gone. It's too late for Apple.
Yeah.
Apple gone. Apple gone at 237.
What that is? 237.
Yep. Apple gone.
Yeah. Go see what a 2 week is on that 237.
Apple gone, bro.
I will go see. Because it's probably going to tag it, bro. From what it looked like it's going, it pulled that liquidity is going to tag that high. And I'm saying, like we said, these are monthly candles. We got like 2 weeks left in a month. So I would be looking for the end of the month, 237. Not saying they should go, and it might, if you're fortunate, it might happen tomorrow. How they did us on the sell-off, motherfuckers. Oh, excuse my language. I'm sorry.
But this Zoom ain't gonna get dog. You might as well just throw the Zoom in the trash. Niggas had a parent on his.
No, they asked me if kids can watch it. I'm gonna tell them no. Kids can't watch it.
Them Tesla 300s for September 6th is like $25, dog. At least that's what it ended on Friday. If it opened back up around that same price, that looked like a fire one. Just saying.
All right, so now you got Tesla. You could trade Tesla. You could trade Spy. You could trade Planeteer.
I was just by that. You should wait till Spy 5 for the entry.
So let's go back to Spy, dog. Hold up. Let's go back to Spy. So Spy, you got this Spy Monday right here. Gee, Willikers bad, man. Let's go to the weekly right quick though. Yeah, I think it was 545. 545 on the daily.
545.
Yeah. If you could get 545 on Spy, this gap right here. If we clean this gap up before we go higher. So 545, and you can buy you some 560s.
Only thing could stop you, bro, is monkeypox, dog. That's keeping it 100. All right, I'm going back on mute.
Yeah, bro. That's pretty much it, man. I don't mean if there's any other stocks that y'all want to look at or talk about, man. My kids didn't stress me out on this Zoom. I'm not gonna hold you. So anything else?
Let's wrap it up then, bro.
We got Spy. So we got Spy. So ranking them from 1 to 3: Planeteer, Tesla, Spy. But Spy gonna be the given anyway. Spy gonna be the given anyway. So we're just gonna trade Spy anyway. But Planeteer and Tesla, right? 300 call on Tesla, or 275, whatever one you prefer. And then Planeteer, you got the 45s or the 40s. You might luck up and get a $28 entry on Planeteer. If it's
let me ask you this on the Planeteer. I don't think that they're gonna go to 45 by the end of the month just because it's a creeper, but it did cross the important level, so it could. But are you suggesting the end of the month for that one? Or are you thinking by the end of the year that should be where we at around that?
I'm gonna always say buy time, however you want to trade. So even if you buy some December calls, some December 45s, and they happen before December, you know what to do.
Also, I'm not gonna let him off the hook, Mike. I'm not letting him off the hook, Mike. Planeteer started out as a buy and hold.
It did.
It still is. Listen, this level that it's at right now, it's still a good company to buy for a 10-year hold. This bitch could go do something crazy. But I would like to make me some money on the option side and then buy. I ain't buying right now. I ain't gonna hold it. I ain't gonna start. But if I hit him on his option play, I will buy a share. You could put your $1,000, $2,000 in this, and it might be a life changer 10 years from now. Just saying. Look into the company yourself, if you're interested, bro. See what they're doing.
It's gonna be one. It's one of them ones. It's one of them ones. Yeah, for sure. But you might be lucky to get this entry at $28.99. For $28.99, $28.95 around here. You might be lucky. If you get that, buy you some calls.
Yeah, that's the same price as Netflix.
Buy you some calls.
And you said we got 40 to 45 calls on Planeteer, right?
Yes, sir.
In a month.
Yeah, you could do that. You could do 1 month. You could do 2 months. However you feel, bro. We gonna
say, bro. I would get furred out. Mo, what you said you had your 50s on October?
Ooh.
Yeah, I actually think it was a 40. I just looked just now, and I didn't see.
I wasn't talking about. I was talking about Netflix subscription, Mike.
Nah, but I'm looking at the stock, buddy. This is work here. See, that's why I don't be in the hood, dog.
Yeah.
That's why I don't be in the
hood. They trying
to
take it for all you got.
All these hood rats will take all my money. These hood rats, look at this. Take all my money. It's going at 7.
Stupid as a motherfucker, dog.
Sweet cheese.
Look at her, bro. Look at how sick. Hey, bro. Yo, look at
in the Zoom.
What this price action is.
How you end the Zoom? What button you push? That's the button right there.
No, son. Look at
come on.
Look how beautiful this price action is, dog. Look at this.
Get off of that.
Look at this, dog.
In meeting for all. That's the button.
Look at how beautiful this price action is, dog. Look at this. This is beautiful. You could appreciate a chart like this, dog. You got your consolidation. You got your manipulation. You got your distribution. Oh man, that's gorgeous. All right, we can get off it. I ain't gonna see nothing for Netflix. Anything? Any other questions, comments, or concerns?
We should be paid by September. Now, we're going to Vegas in September, bruh.
Vegas?
Get your shit down. We're going to Vegas, bruh.
What's in
Going straight to Caesars.
Shit, we hit them by the end of the month. They got the Saints Dallas game. Gonna be popping. You in
Yeah,
Texas?
yeah, you on your
Hey,
own.
hey,
Yeah.
No money.
you can go straight to draft. You can go straight to fan duel from here now. Right on the
Manny,
start of football. Right on the start of football season.
all right, I got Tesla in a month, 275 to 300. Palantir in a month, a further out $40 call, and Spy 45, Intric, and 560 call. All right. They in my notes.
Say, Mike.
What's
Say,
up, bro?
Mike.
What's up?
He almost make you think he ain't gonna act you with the play during the week, huh?
Who now?
Yeah. I almost
Yeah, bro.
believed him.
Now gonna buy puts.
I'm waiting on that message to come through. Y'all got to play.
Now gonna be like, you buying puts, right?
Now see, y'all got to play for.
Man, it's almost. But no, man. No, man. I ain't gonna say that. It's Sunday, bro. Enjoy y'all day, bro. Hey, yeah, that's it. That's it, bro. This Zoom got out of control today. I ain't gonna hold you. It's my fault though. I should have
I got you, bro. No kids. I'm gonna put no kids on it.
yeah. But yeah, bro. Hey, Ma, invite Lou to the next Zoom, bro.
He needed.
Oh, Jesus, bye.
Come on,